Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Lindsay, your English teacher. Let me welcome you to my channel, Fly with Images. So today, let's study the different kinds of sentences. First of all, let's see what a sentence is. A set of words making a complete sense and grammatically correct is called a sentence. Let's look at the following groups of words. Rani is my best friend. What are you doing? May you live long. All these groups of words make complete sense, hence called sentences. Now, let's see what are the characteristics of a sentence. First of all, the first letter must begin with a capital letter. And then, words must be placed in their proper order to make complete sense. A punctuation mark must be placed at the end of a sentence. And finally, the sentence should be free from any grammatical error. Now, let's learn the different kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences. These are assertive or declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, and optative sentence. Now let's learn it in detail. So the first one is assertive or declarative sentence. A sentence that states, asserts, or declares something is called an assertive or declarative sentence. It can be classified into affirmative and negative sentences. An affirmative sentence is simply a sentence which affirms. That means it makes its statements in positive terms. And a sentence expressing refusal is called a negative sentence. For example, it's a good movie, or it's not a good movie. So here, the first sentence is a positive sentence. So, it is an affirmative sentence. But the second sentence refuses something. So, it is a negative sentence. And the second one is interrogative sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. The question mark is placed at the end of an interrogative sentence. For example, where do you live? Or, can I help you? And the third one is imperative sentence. A sentence that gives a command, an advice, a request, a suggestion, or an order is called an imperative sentence. For example, be kind to animals. Close the door. Please lend me 100 rupees. And the fourth one is exclamatory sentence. A sentence that expresses some sudden feelings of joy, sorrow, wonder, or anger is called an exclamatory sentence. Such sentences always have the mark of exclamation. For example, how intelligent the girl is. How cold the night is. And the last one is optative sentence. A sentence that expresses a wish or prayer is called an optative sentence. It also ends with a mark of exclamation. For example, may you live long. Children, hope you could follow me. So now it's time to wind up the session today. I request all of you to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.